ipinakilala na ni Infinix ang bago nilang smartphones na Hot 40 series. Una nating kilalanin si Infinix Hot 40 Pro. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang pwede sa atin i-offer ng phone na to, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Meron siyang 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution. May 120Hz refresh rate at may 500 nits peak brightness. Ang Infinix Hot 40 Pro ay may operating system na XOS 13.5 based on Android 13 with MediaTek Helio G99 6nm chipset na may Mali G57 MC2 na GPU. Ang phone na to ay may 8GB of RAM plus 8GB extended RAM with 128 or 256GB of internal storage expandable via microSD. Ang Infinix Hot 40 Pro ay may triple rear camera setup with 108MP main camera plus 2MP macro camera plus auxiliary lens with quad LED flash, HDR and panorama at may up to 1440p at 30fps video recording. Meron itong 32MP selfie camera with dual LED flash at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron siyang side-mounted fingerprint scanner at face unlock at meron itong stereo speakers with high-res audio. Ang phone na to ay mayroong 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging at meron din itong reverse charging. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 168.6 by 76.6 by 8.3mm at may timbang na 199 grams. Sa build quality naman niya, meron siyang glass front, plastic back, and plastic frame. At ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 4G LTE, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, headphone jack, OTG, and USB Type-C. Sa ngayon, hindi pa available ang price ni Infinix Hot 40 Pro. Pero ayon kay Infinix, ang lahat ng phone na kabilang sa Hot 40 series ay under $200 lamang. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Infinix Hot 40 Pro? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang bidyong ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat! Peace!